welcome to my channel. Oh my god, I don't know what just happened to my voice. So I'm finally filming a hijab tutorial for you guys. I know you guys have been asking me for like ages for me to do a turban tutorial. So here it is. I'm just gonna jump right into the cream pie. I never say stuff like that, but sometimes I feel like I film and then like all these weird words come out my mouth, so thank you for appreciating my sense of humor. So we start off by wearing like this little, I don't know what it's called. I don't know, it's like this piece of fabric, just like this. When I'm lazy, I don't use this, but whatever. And you probably want to like use one that's like black because otherwise it would show, and I feel like that bothers me a lot.
I have a brown one, and when it's wearing it, I have one too. So if you put one on me, you have to make it like a hijab, put it inside you, and then like take some over, put it on you, and that's how you wear it. Uh-oh.
Nice. For the way that I wear my turban, I always use like rectangular cotton scarves. So here we are. I always fold in the edge a little bit. So just like, I guess like you would want it to be like that big, and this is like a reference like to my face. So, oh my god, look at the sun, the way it's hitting my face. So beautiful. And then you want to cover like your little thing that you're wearing under, and the reason you would wear that, oh, I forgot to mention. So I also like keep my hair up with this little clip thing, and this is really funny because it looks like a little flower.
No,
Did I say
like
flower?
Flower ball?
Yeah, flower ball. It is a flower ball.
It looks like a clip.
It looks like a flower ball clip, basically. And I'm telling you right now, if you're gonna wear a turban and you don't wear something that has a little bit of volume on the inside, unless you have a lot of hair, you're gonna look bald. So just putting that out there. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Like when you wear a hijab, it takes practice. Just like I took practice from my mom.
Words of wisdom. Okay, so basically, we started here, right? You have whatever, like both of the sides. So then I take them to the back, and I kind of separate both of the edges, and then you swap sides. So you like crisscross it. So like this side comes to this side, and this side comes to this side. And then you would just like kind of want to adjust it in the front. I really can't see anything because of the way the light is hitting my eye right now. But basically, that is how you do it. And then you kind of just bring it back, and you want to like make a knot. Just a regular.
You want me to scoot it?
So, ow!
So when you practice it, you have to turn more a little.
Wait.
I never got to show them.
Okay, fine, show them.
So you have to come up, and then you wrap it like this.
Okay, how about I finish it first, and then this looks like a towel on my head. You step back from the camera.
So basically you
Suffer. Oh, this is why I hate filming with the kids. I made a knot, and then you bring this side. You kind of want to fold it in the way.
For sure, I hate my brother.
Don't say that. But you are being really annoying right now. Stop it. No, stop it. Stay away from the camera. Stop. Okay.
I need that.
Wait. Okay. So you basically like the edge that's like free. You want to fold it towards the inside in a way that, like, you know, these are the edges. You kind of like wrap them up like a little burrito or something. And then, so that they just like stick out. Yusuf, move your head. This is important. Okay, so basically you wrap it around.
And then you like,
and
what
then
she's doing, blah,
you
blah,
just
blah,
like,
blah, blah, blah. So like,
stop. And then you like tuck it
when
in.
it's the time to.
And you don't want to like crunch it all and tuck it in at one spot, otherwise it's gonna bulge like a tumor. So make sure you like spread it out and like tuck it in, you know? And then you do the same thing. So don't touch my head right now. Can't wait.
I want to fix
Just
it.
wait a sec. So either you can leave this side down and then like make a little
knot?
like dangly, yeah, like a knot. Okay, you can leave it down and make a little dangly knot, or you could do the same thing on this side.
Make a
and you
knot.
can like wrap it around. So here it is, and you just like tuck it into the folds. And if you're feeling extra fancy, you can like pull out. Everybody does it differently, but I like, stop. But I like to pull out like a little bit of hair.
Yes,
I have like this huge fear of looking bald, honestly. And I feel like, stop, Yusuf! But anyways, this is the final product, and we probably want to wrap it a little better so it's like fatter. No, sorry. So like the bulging edge.